Hello my dear crafters, and today we continue with our learning videos in Vita Crafts School. It's our knitting lesson, and today I wanted to show you another cast on which calls German Twisted. German Twisted is very nice cast on, and I use it for my socks all the time, and this pair I bring for you. Look, to show this cast on. Here how it looks, very nice, very beautiful, very stretchy, and absolutely perfect for socks and other things which you need to good stretch. For example, mittens as well. When you pass your hand through the cuff, it's need to be stretchy. Then this cast on is perfect for this. And now let me take this out, get our yarn and needles. This cast on is very similar to long tail cast on, and I'll show you which is the difference. We need long tail, and usually it needs to be longer than normal long tail cast on, because we will use more yarn for this cast on. Then we are starting the same way. Get your long tail, position between index and middle finger, and then put on top of your thumb. Then you have your triangle and hold with your fingers both ends of the yarn. And here we start the same way as a normal one. We enter inside, create the loop around the thumb, but instead inserting our needles in this little loop which we just created, we go under this loop like this. Look again. Inside, create the loop and go under the loop and enter in the loop from top down like this. Yes, you go under, you go from top down, turn your thumb, and here you grab your yarn the same way from the index finger and pass through this loop like this. Don't lose your stitches, hold like this your finger, and then you've got your first 2 stitches. Let's repeat. Create the loop, go under the loop with your 2 needles and go inside from top down. Turn your thumb, hold here. Look, if you hold here your thumb, you will not lose this stitch. Grab the yarn and pass through, and you will have little twisted thing here. You see some little round, and let's do a couple more and see how edge will look. Down, inside, and grab, and then tight your stitch. Let me do a couple more and show you how edges look like. Right, here we are. Look how beautiful our edge. This is how it looks. This is the wrong side. Have little knots here, and this how you cast on with a German Twisted. Thank you for watching. I hope it was helpful. If you like the video, don't forget to press the like and subscribe for the channel if you want to learn knit with me, and see you next videos. Bye bye.